Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, fuck everybody, just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Son, you know I measured the height of my desk to make it high enough to where he couldn't reach on top of it and pull shit down.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
Alright, 'cause everything's wrong tonight. Yeah.
I wanna go back to that piece of my life when everything was right. I ain't worried about a fight, I ain't worried about the strife, I ain't worried about a knife in my back, and I ain't gotta worry about the facts. I just relax, sit back and chill. For real shit, it's so ill, it makes me wanna kill. So sometimes I just gotta spit rhymes to sit back and relax my mind. Smoke on some pine, so damn fine. Get me so high, man, y'all all so behind. Get up on your grind, man, get your cake. 'Cause every single day, man, we get weight, So what you trying to do? And all you haters, what y'all trying to prove? We ain't listening, we remembering how back when we was up.
I wanna go back to a place in my life where everything seemed alright, but it's not.